Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again, and it's another day of homemade cooking with Vivian. Today we're gonna make a classic traditional 100% homemade roasted chicken that is made up of grind herbs, garlic, and all other spices combined together to make it and emboss the flavor. um, it's really loads of flavor in it, guys, so I just want to share you on how to make this is actually a very the most easy recipe to prepare, and today I'm gonna make that for you to reach that goal of having a juicy chicken inside but crispy on the outside with its golden skin. So if you want to know how to make it, just stay tuned with me.
Do you want to know?
So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoy watching it. You see how easy it is. It's only just combining all the ingredients together and pop it in the oven. It's only making you a big difference on how you combine all the ingredients together. So let me know how you think about my cooking, and I'm excited to hear anything about from you guys, and I hope you can do it on your own as well. And this is actually a few times I made this recipe, and I can say that whenever I'm making roasted chicken, it is better and it is the best. So guys, hope you enjoy watching it, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next cooking vlog again. See you next time. Bye bye.